So what are the real costs? Now, the real costs from a tax perspective involve donations tax, capital gains tax, transfer duty, and a little hidden trap that I call the Section 7C loan trap that a lot of people struggle with, right? Now, there's two ways that one usually goes about in normal planning of transferring these assets across. The first way is by way of a donation. The second is by way of a sale. Now, a donation, everyone knows you pay donations tax. It's 20% on the value of the property. That's a big amount. And on top of that, you're paying capital gains tax as well. You're paying transfer duty, and you're probably paying the conveyances fees to move the property across. So it does become expensive because there's donation tax involved. So everyone automatically seems to lean towards selling the property to their children. And either they sell it outright and their children raise money and pay them in cash, or they do it by way of loan account. Right? Now, this seems like a great idea, but the first thing that I have to mention here is that unfortunately, if you sell the property and the money isn't received immediately, right, the loan sits as an asset in your estate. So you're basically moving one asset for the other. So be very careful, because you're not going to save on things like estate duty. You're just moving the money across. Even if your children do actually buy the property out and give you cash for it, that cash still sits in your estate. So it's still basically counted towards the value of your estate in calculating estate duty. So be careful with that. You have to plan ahead, because you are going to be receiving something in return for the property, whether it's now, whether it's later. So plan ahead. Fortunately, if you're receiving cash now, you can utilize that cash for your well-being. So usually this is quite a good idea, because you take that cash and you actually put it towards your retirement,